Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Vauxhall Corsa here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. And first, make sure your ignition is switched on. And then from here, you want to press the car icon in the bottom right. And from here, in driving functions, you want to go to under inflation initialization. And then first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. And then once you've done that, press yes. And then the sign in front of the steering wheel will say tyre pressure registered.